Hi, my name is Shanthi. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Recently, I have completed my master's in computer applications and I completed my graduation with BSc Computers. After graduation, I have attended so many interviews. There, I have not selected. Later, I decided to take course. Then my senior suggested to join in Jspiders. I have joined in October. I have taken Java full stack development course. I have only 60% in intermediate and educational gap after graduation. So I thought I may not get so many opportunities. Later, Keshav sir have told it is not a problem. You can get more opportunities here. Then for Java, Keshav sir and Uzay sir teaching is excellent. They will explain in very easy way as anyone can understand. SQL Bhuvan sir class is full of learning and funny. I like SQL classes. Mock is Jspiders will conduct mock. In mock is the best way to improve the skills. The result of learning will know only in mock. So mock is the best way. So don't skip the mock. For freshers, Jspider is the best place to get job as developers. Though Jspiders, through Jspiders we can get more jobs. I got selected on my first interview after joining in Jspiders. In interview, they asked about questions on Java and SQL, as I mentioned in resume. Then they asked to write a program logic on arrays, and from SQL they asked about joins, and they asked to write queries. So I suggest to attend Sharik sir programming classes and don't miss SQL Bhuvan sir class. It's very interesting and fun. Thank you.